I have in front of me here a 20-meter roll of black mini shotgun cable. Basically, this is a type of cable that's used commonly now for all Sky installations. So the big advantage of it is, we'll say, you have two cables that are running together. So particularly for Sky Plus boxes, we're running two cables in. It's a single cable that you can run. And the difference, we'll say, in dimensions of this and previous, we'll say, cable is that RG6 cable, which would be used traditionally for wiring out houses, would be a total of about maybe 7 millimeters in diameter, where this one here, the individual parts of this are about 4.7, 4.8 millimeters in diameter, and the overall width of this particular cable is just over 10.3 I think millimeters. Now what I've done here with a snips is I've pared down, and so we can see the outer sheet here. Underneath we have some copper braiding. What we have then we have the foil wrap, the copper braiding, we have the dielectric, and then we have the actual center copper core here. Okay, well, it's actually CCA, copper clad aluminium. So we stock this, we'll say, in 20 meter, 50 meter, 100 meter, and also 250 meter rolls. So for DIY installations, we'll say, people obviously quite often like buying it just in 20 meter. We had been pre-cutting it to length, but it's proved such a popular thing, ourselves we'll say cutting it, it's proved to be such a popular product, we've actually bought it in pre-wrapped like this. So it's ideal for, we'll say, retail as well, and it comes with a number and code, all the rest of it. So it's quite handy from that perspective. Typical installations, as I said, would be for Sky Plus, but also if you're putting in a Humax box, we'll say, it'd be twin satellite feed, or we'll say, indeed, if you're running a combo box and you wanted to run one cable coming from a TV aerial and another cable coming from a satellite dish that's located nearby, we'll be able to do it. One thing I'll just mention here is that when we go to actually do this, what we do is we could split the cable and pull it apart like this. So it means there's certain flexibility. We could actually pull it all the way down along its length, so we could have the terminations going to slightly different locations, so run it together at certain points and not in others. So that's it anyway, an overview of the 20 meter black mini shotgun cable.